So this is a wee video talking about the complete end-to-end process of sheet cutting. So you'll see here I've got a job 622 for this BB part number. This part number, I'm just going to open the drawing. Well, I don't need the drawing actually. So we're going to cut this job and this part number, but we're going to also bring in other jobs for the same number. So I'm going to go new workspace. Well, I'm in a new workspace, new task. I'm going to look for the works orders. My job number was 000622, and you'll see that this is a 4mm part. So instead of cutting just the one job number, I'm going to do 4mm. So these are all the 4mm parts. So say I pick these ones here which have the specification loaded, I can hit OK for those, bring those materials across, go to my sheet list. So these are all the different 4mm sheets that I have. So 3 by 1.5. OK. So we've now loaded our sheets and we've loaded our parts. So we'll click OK. I need to check my parameters. It's just a thing of this offload one. Hit OK. So now I click auto nest, and this process dumps the parts in the best possible layout that it deems. So just going back to this screen here, I'm now going to put a filter on for this part number. And I'm going to take off the job number. So these are all the different rotor plates. Now, I did not pick all the jobs. I only picked certain jobs. And we will see that when the auto nest completes. I have a support call in with Sigma about the length of time that this takes. When we installed it, we thought it would take a wee bit quicker, but it is what it is at the moment. As you can see, this takes, in my opinion, too long. But this is how it is optimized it. Next process is nesting. So we're going to click auto nest, and in here you do your sheet cropping, uh, and you do your, let me just do that again, automatically crop, remnant, create a remnant. Again, this can be set up default. Okay, so this has created a remnant and nested the parts, and now we're ready to post this. So just, I'm going to take a screen print of this. Well, I can't, I have to write it down, I'm doing a video. So the first one is 55 of 55, and that's job number 622. And the next one is 2 of 2, and it's job 619. The next one is 20 of 20 for 618, and 4 of 4 for job 617. You'll see here, so here's 622, 619, 618, 617. So these bottom 4 jobs, when we complete this and do the posting and the SimTrans, these bottom 4 jobs should disappear because they're complete. So we're ready to post this. Now, just a word of warning for me. You'll see there's only one sheet here. If there was more than one sheet, you have to click down here and go post all sheets. But effectively this allows you to send single or the whole job. So I'm going to actually click post all sheets, even though there's only one sheet in it. So that's done. This workspace can now be cleared. So we minimize this, and then we'll go to our color offload, and color offload will automatically have brought up the available sheets to be cut. Because there's only one, it's loaded it in first. So what you're seeing here is the colors are for each job. So for example, that job there's 2, that job's 20, that job's 4, that job's 55. So we're going to start this now. This sheet is saying that it's going to take 41 minutes to cut. I'm going to start this, and I'm going to allow it to run because I want to see the cost of these parts being pushed back into Epicor. So I'm going to stop the video at this stage, and then there'll be a video part 2. Talk to you later.